Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel iced coffee at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of freshly brewed, strong coffee, chilled if possible. Next, grab about 1/2 cup of your preferred milk, whether it's whole milk for richness or a plant-based option. Don't forget the star of the show, a generous 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce, plus extra for drizzling. Finally, a handful of ice cubes will complete our refreshing drink. Now, let's get that coffee ready. Brew about 1 cup of strong coffee using your favorite method, like a French press or drip machine. The key here is to make it concentrated, as the ice and milk will dilute it slightly. Once brewed, let it cool down completely. You can even pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to ensure it's perfectly chilled. This step is crucial for a truly refreshing iced coffee experience. It's time for the fun part, assembling your delicious drink. Take a tall glass and drizzle about 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce around the inside walls. This creates a beautiful visual and adds flavor to every sip. Next, fill the glass nearly to the top with ice cubes. Pour your chilled, strong coffee over the ice, then add about 1/2 cup of milk. Stir everything gently to combine the flavors, ensuring that caramel is well distributed. To elevate your caramel iced coffee, add some delightful finishing touches. If you're feeling indulgent, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Then, take another moment to drizzle an extra tablespoon of caramel sauce over the whipped cream. This not only looks fantastic, but also adds another layer of sweet, buttery flavor. Serve your masterpiece immediately and savor every refreshing sip of your homemade caramel iced coffee. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.